What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of this. And today we are going to be putting the big 22s on, taking the 17s off and making it look much better with some black 22s. Also, we're going to go through and check out the brakes and make sure they're all good to go and everything like that, which I'm pretty sure they are, because they've been working fine for the past couple months now. The reason I'm changing these out is because it's a little more aesthetically pleasing than these. I think y'all would agree. And for this removal and everything, we are going to be using the old trusty 2767 Milwaukee Impact, along with a 7/8 socket and an extension to take those off, as well as a torque wrench because of the lug nuts we'll be using. Some of y'all might hate me for doing this, but they've actually kind of grown on me here. We will be putting these on, the old spiky boys. I know a lot of y'all are gonna click out right now because of that, and you know what, that's okay, because yeah, I think they look pretty good on there. I think they're gonna look pretty good. I did get these off of Amazon. They are steel and they had pretty good ratings, so I will link I'll put a link in the description for these if anybody would like to give them a shot, try them out, see what they look like. You can always return them if you don't like them. This is to put the lug nuts on. They go along the socket and they fit just like that. And has a little thing here. It says, do not use an impact. Do not use a power wrench, impact wrench, or pneumatic wrench. Use hand wrench to install lug nuts. That's what the torque wrench is for. We'll be doing that with the torque wrench, so we don't mar up the lugs in the paint job, screw them up or anything like that. There's I think these were like $43. There's 6, 12, yeah, 24 of them in here. Fit for all the lugs, you know, 6 on each wheel. So let's go ahead and get started throwing these bad boys on. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and get another look, one last look of the truck with the stocky boys on there. Out that back wheel. I will be leaving the step bar on there. I do kind of like those. Even when I decide to lower it, we're gonna go ahead and leave those on there. That one, a little back shot of it. Right. Still got that HD hood on there. Gotta cut it still. And also these, I did not put the sensors back in here. I don't know why, I just didn't. So won't be able to read no air pressures. And they do have Goodyear Eagle Touring tires. They are 285 45 22s. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw these things on. All right, now we got our old trusty Harbor Freight jack, and before anybody says anything, they're gonna be like, why don't you use jack stands? Well, the reason is because I'm only doing one wheel at a time, and I'm not getting under the vehicle. So using jack stands It's always a safe precaution if you're getting under the vehicle, putting your legs under there, or anything like that. But today, we are not getting under the vehicle and just putting wheels on. So therefore, I didn't see a need of having jack stands. And if you want to see where I have this put, it's right there on the frame rail. I don't know if you can see it, but if not, it's right on the frame. So we're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys off. Oh my God, he's using chrome sockets on an impact. Yep. Been using chrome sockets for years on impacts and never had one explode on me or whatever. So yeah, I'm sure there'll be lots of people crying about using chrome sockets on impacts. All right, so check our brakes. Our brakes look really good, actually. I can't wait to be replacing these shocks. Them things are so worn out. All right. That thing is a little bit more heavy than the stock tire. All right. Get our lug nuts that everybody hates. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the impact just to run up the lug nuts, so I'm not here for days twisting them. Just like that. No ooga doogas or anything, just running them up. That way I'm not here twisting them for days and days and days. Take that off, and we're going to set the tire down just a little bit so we can have a little bit of force on the tire so it don't spin on us while we're putting torque on it. All right, so it's set at 120. We want 110. All right, 110 right there. Cool. That's a lot bigger than the other one. All right, now for this one. And I'll probably just go ahead and put that on the frame where the track bar bolts to the frame, I guess. Get the impact again. Cool beans. Check them brakes. Oh yeah, brakes look good. Everything looks good except for that shock right there. But like I said in my other video, we're gonna take that thing off. We're gonna eliminate those. All right, get our lug nuts. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about those just yet. Guess we'll just have to wait and see. People, please torque your lug nuts instead of just ooga-dooging them down. That helps a lot of people in the long run. If they got to take your tires off, or if you got to take them off on the interstate or something like that, you're not in a bind trying to get them off when it's an emergency. What we're gonna do this back one first. We'll go ahead and put that in the same spot. Let's get a look at that thing. What y'all think? Better or worse? I think it looks a lot better. Them spikes are just flush, barely flush with the outer wheel. I think they look pretty good. All right, so now that we got that done, let's go ahead and pull it out and give a rolling shot of what it looks like. So here we go, checking them out, see what they look like. It's gonna look really good when dropped, for sure. 2 inches, 2 inches in the front, 4 inches in the back. Gonna look really good. I think the spikes will grow on me. Not too bad looking. The wheels are offset, I think -24. So they sit in a little bit more. And spikes, I mean, they are pretty much spot on flush with that tire. I mean, maybe just 1/8 of an inch sticking out, but I think it looks pretty clean. All right, y'all. Well, that's it for this video. I appreciate y'all sticking with me and helping me, you know, swap my tires over. Pretty good experience. Keep following with the build. I'm getting really excited about doing it. And yeah, looking forward to putting everything on and making this thing basically brand new again. All right, y'all. See y'all later.